So you've seen ads for Valacore Joint Support and you're wondering, does it really help with joint pain or is it just another supplement gimmick? Quick disclaimer, everything in this video is based on publicly available information and personal opinion. Also, a lot of you guys are asking me how I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide to show you the exact process. Links in the description. Now, Valacore claims to support joint health by using natural ingredients, and the product is featured on its official site, valacore.system.io. The site looks clean and professional, but here's the thing, there are no Trustpilot ratings or verified reviews available at the moment. Because of that, it's a little hard to tell what real users are actually experiencing. There aren't many third party reviews online either, so all we really have is the brand's own marketing. For the final verdict, Valacore Joint Support doesn't seem to be a straight up scam, but it's also not backed by enough real world feedback yet. If you're thinking about trying it, maybe start slow and manage your expectations. If you've used Valacore, feel free to use or share your experience below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest, no fluff reviews.